This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, a sunroof, heated seats, chrome wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Ross Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1903 North Falls Boulevard in Wynne.